Hello everyone, myself Paris Pala, and today I will be discussing about the production technology of banana. Before starting my presentation, I would like to thank our course instructor Dr. Prashant Bakshi sir for giving me this opportunity. Contents of my presentation. First of all, introduction, scientific classification, climate and soil, varieties, production systems, propagation, planting time, planting density, water management, manures and fertilizer, weed management, harvesting and post-harvest management, and physiological disorders. Introduction. Banana, commonly known as Adam's fig. In Sanskrit, it is known as Kadali. Origin and distribution. The edible banana is believed to have originated in the hot tropical regions of Southeast Asia, stretching from India to Malaysia and Indonesia. Scientific classification. Domain Eukaryota, kingdom Plantae, phylum Spermatophyta, subphylum Angiospermae, class Monocotyledone, order Gingibirales, family Musaceae, genus Musa. Climate and soil. Banana is well suited for cultivation from humid subtropical to semi-arid subtropics up to 2000 meter above sea level. In India, it is successfully grown from 8 degrees north to 28 degrees south latitudes with a temperature of 15 to 35 degrees Celsius and a rainfall of 500 to 2000 mm per year. Mean temperature of 28 degree to 30 degrees Celsius is optimum for its growth. Temperature above 36 to 38 degrees Celsius causes scorching effect with increased transpiration. High temperature in combination with water stress causes loss in growth. Banana can grow in all types of soil having good drainage. Optimum soil pH is 6.5 to 7.5. Varieties. For different states, different cultivars are recommended. For Andhra Pradesh, Rasthali, Amritpant. Assam, Chini Champa, Bharatmoni. Bihar, Alpon, Chini Champa. Gujarat, Lokhandi, Gandevi. Tamil Nadu and Kerala, Red Banana, Puvan, Nindran, Rasthali. West Bengal and Odisha, Champa, Amritsagar. And for Maharashtra, Basrai, Nindran. Different varieties. Dwarf Cavendish. It is the leading commercial cultivar, contributing to 58% of the total production owing to its high yield, ability to withstand strong winds, short crop cycle. It is being cultivated in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Bihar. Robusta. It is the semi-tall sport of dwarf Cavendish and is important cultivar in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. It is highly susceptible to Sigatoka leaf spot, limiting its cultivation in humid areas but is resistant to Panama wilt. Rasthali. Plant is medium stature. Crop takes about 13 to 15 months to come to harvest. Hard lumps and fruit cracking are the major physiological disorders. Puvan. It is the leading commercial cultivar of southern and northeastern states. It bears heavy bunches weighing 20 to 24 kg each. It is a popular cultivar because of its ease of cultivation and hardiness. However, it is severely affected by banana streak virus. Nindran. It is the most prized cooking variety used in Kerala, fetching a premium price during festive season. Fruits have a distinct neck with thick green skin, turning buff yellow on ripening. The fruits remain starchy even on ripening. Promising hybrids. H1. It has medium to high resistance to leaf spot, fusarium wilt and burrowing nematode. Elongated fruits turn attractive golden yellow on ripening. H2. It is medium statured banana. Fruits are slightly acidic with pleasant sweet sour aroma. CO1. It is a promising pome hybrid. FHIA1 or Goldfinger. It is a potential commercial banana. It is resistant to Sigatoka and wilt. Production systems. Homestead or backyard cultivation, mixed cultivation and multi-storage systems. Homestead or backyard cultivation. In traditional growing regions, homestead cultivation of banana is common. The choice of cultivar is governed by family requirements and quality preferences of the household. Homestead farming is characterized by improper spacing, inadequate use of fertilizer and pesticides, high productivity, and longer crop duration. Mixed cultivation. Banana is planted predominantly as a commercial shade crop for coffee in hilly areas, contributing to initial years. In coastal regions of Karnataka, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh, banana is grown in coconut and areca nut plantations with tall cultivar. Banana is also intercropped with ginger, turmeric, cotton, gourd, and other vegetables. Picture showing intercropping of banana with coconut. Multi-story system. It is commonly followed in coastal plantations of Karnataka and Kerala, where crops with different canopy levels are planted. High density planting with coconut and areca nut forming the upper story, followed by banana, next with tapioca, and lowermost story with colocasia, turmeric, ginger, and garlic. Picture depicting multi-story system. Propagation. Banana is propagated through suckers or corms. Spot suckers with well-developed rhizome, conical in shape and lanceolate leaves, and actively growing central buds weighing 500 to 750 gram are generally used. Apart from this, cut rhizomes called bits and peepers are also used successfully. Picture showing banana suckers. Propagation. Propagation through shoot tip culture is cost effective for the production of disease-free plants. Micropropagation has been preferred over conventional propagation owing to its faster multiplication, uniformity in planting material, and disease-free material. Shoot tip culture for banana is shown in this picture. Planting time. Banana can be planted throughout year except in severe winter and heavy rain. Planting time depends on climate and partly on economic factors. Planting time for different places is shown in this table. For Kerala and Tamil Nadu, September to October. Hilly areas of South India, February to March. Coastal areas of Maharashtra, April to June or August to October. Northeast, March to April. Karnataka, April to June or November to February. Bihar, August to February. And for West Bengal, February to August. Planting density. For tall cultivars, spacing of 9 feet into 10 feet, that is 2.7 meter into 3 meter, and for dwarf cultivars, spacing of 6 feet into 6 feet, that is 1.8 meter into 1.8 meter. Water management. Banana requires high amount of water ranging from 1800 mm to 2500 mm annually. Banana is grown as rain-fed perennial crop in the western coast of India. In Bihar, irrigation is given every 10 days from December to June. In inland areas, banana requires 40 to 50 irrigations compared to basin irrigation. Manuring and fertilization. Application of 25% nitrogen as farmyard manure and 1 kg neem cake is beneficial. The application of 25% nitrogen in organic form and 75% nitrogen in inorganic form. The recommended dose of nitrogen per plant is 100 to 250 gram, and for phosphorus it is 50 to 95 gram, and for potassium it is 100 gram per plant. Mineral deficiency in banana. In the table given below, different elements and their deficiency symptoms are given. In case of nitrogen, symptom of leaf blade, uniform light green. Additional symptoms, pink petiole. Iron, age of leaf, young leaves. Symptoms on leaf blade, leaves yellow to white. For sulfur, leaves turn pale green to yellow, and additional symptoms are thickening of secondary veins. And for potassium, chlorosis and brown scratching on leaf blade and leaf bending. Weed management. Weed reduce yield up to 40 to 50% depending upon cultivar and yield. Regular hand weeding is essential. Chemical control by using 0.4% glycol spray, but integrated management of weeds by intercropping cowpea, soil mulching with sugarcane trash and paddy straw, and one spraying of glycol is economical. Aftercare. Surplus and unwanted suckers should be kept under control for better growth and yield of mother plant. Desuckering once in 45 days is common practice in banana plantation. Setting a sucker for retuning is important in maintaining higher productivity of orchard. Intercropping is a common practice in banana orchard to check weed growth, improve soil health, and generate additional income. Turmeric and ginger as intercrops are more economical. Mulching helps conserve soil moisture and suppress weed growth. Organic mulching also improves soil health. Sugarcane trash at the rate 10 tons per hectare provides effective mulching for conservation of moisture. Removal of male bud after completion of female phase is referred as denabling. It serves the dual purpose of saving movement of food into unwanted sink and also earns additional income as it is used as vegetable. Bunch cutting is practiced for Cavendish and Silk Group's banana to get attractive color. Harvesting and post-harvest management. Banana bunch development continues over a period of 90 to 150 days. Harvesting is done at 75 to 80% maturity. Ripening in closed chambers known as ripening rooms. An attractive color in banana is obtained by slow ripening under controlled conditions, that is 15 to 18 degrees Celsius with low ethylene concentration. In South India, banana leaves are used as eating plates. Yield. The yield obtained from different varieties of banana plant is dwarf Cavendish yields 30 to 40 tons per hectare, Robusta yields 38 to 45 tons per hectare, and other yields about 20 to 30 tons per hectare. Physiological disorders. Neer Vazai is a malady, that is disease, which affects Nindran banana in Tamil Nadu. Infested plants show poor growth, delayed shooting, and immature unfilled fingers. Fruits oozes out watery fluid. Application of growth hormone NAA improves finger filling. It is transmitted through suckers. Kota Vazai affects Puvan banana. Kotai means seed, referring to enlarged ovules and immature dark green fruits. Thank you for watching my presentation.